end unit and just steps to the pool. Enjoy beautiful golf course views of the Flamingo Golf Course from your screen lanai. This first-floor coach home with 2 bedrooms, den, and private garage features a spacious open floor plan. Features a large kitchen, center island with cabinet storage, breakfast nook with bay windows, walk-in pantry, and large storage unit. You can never have enough storage. New impact windows in 2018, new electric shutters on lanai in 2018, updated bathrooms in 2016 and 2015, new hot water heater in 2016, grout resealed in 2016, AC in 2014, over $40,000 in updates. No mandatory club membership. Lally Resort offers 2 public golf courses, the Flamingo in Mustang, and the private Classics course which hosted the 2018 Shrek Classic. Mystic Green's location is close to restaurants, shopping, Naples and Marco beaches, and downtown 5th Avenue. The Players Club and Spa is optional and offers resort pools, indoor dining, tennis center, full-service spa, fit,